So welcome again. This is the next video. So in this video, I will give you an idea about the 3D adaptive clearing strategy. Okay. So this adaptive clearing strategy is a roughing strategy. So if we want to remove a large amount of material, we can use this strategy, 3D adaptive clearing strategy. So here, in this case, my aim is to remove the material from this cavity. So here you can see these are the cavities. Okay, so the my aim is to remove material, large amount of material from this cavity. So that's why I am using this 3D adaptive clearing strategy. So I will click this option. Okay, so I will, yeah, so I will select the tool. I will click here. I will select the tool and then I will go to tutorial metric. I will select this tool number 11, that is 510 millimeter R1 millimeter bullnose end. Okay, for this adaptive clearing strategy. So I will click here, tool number 11. I will select here. Okay, so now you can see tool number 11 is selected, 510 R1 mm bullnose. Then go to the geometry. Okay, so while I am selecting the geometry, uh, you can see this stock contour, that option is already enabled. Okay, so that is important here. So this enable this stock contours option. That means here you can see this is the boundary of this stock, and and inside this boundary you can see these are the two cavities. Okay, so while I am selecting this, enabling this stock contours, you can see this boundary. So this, inside this boundary, we can see these are the two cavities. Then below this stock contour option, there is another option that is called rust machining. Okay, so under this rust machining tab, there is an option that is called source. I will select the from previous operations. Okay, so this means if I have used any strategy for removing material in the previous operation, that cutting area is not included in this strategy. So if I have cut using any strategy, any one strategy, this if I am enabling this option, that means source from previous operation, that means in this strategy, that particular section, that because that section is already, that material is already removed. Okay, so that particular area is not considered here. So only the areas rust, the rust areas that will machine. Okay, so that's why I am enabling this rust machining, and I have selected this from previous operations. Then uh, then then uh, then I will enter the stock to leave option, say a small amount of stock. So I have entered say 0.3 millimeter. So as a small amount of stock, I have to leave a small amount of stock here, because this is a roughing strategy, and that particular portion, that stock, that option, that will be finished with the help of say any one or two finishing operations. So here I am leave some amount, say small amount of stock. That means radial as well as axial, say 0.3 millimeter. Okay, then I will click OK. Okay, so here you can see this tool path is generated. Okay, I will right click here and click the show toolpath data. So this is the toolpath data, different types of movements, linear, circular. Okay, so then what about the x, y, z? Then what about the movement? Okay, is it rapid movement? Is it a lead-in movement or cutting? What are the cutting movements? Then what about the feed rate and what about the RPM? Okay, so both are displayed here. So I will close this. Then I will right click here and then I will simulate this. Okay, so everything is completed. Okay, thank you.